Lotion. I wanna authorize.
I mean, I say Russian. Every man gonna go club and Riddim. I can't follow them. I mean, I say Russian. You have some man that some relationship with long like River Nile. Only thing mama ever give him some child. Mama never give him a bracelet. Him never get nothing yet. Him never get money for your body. Money for your body.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, speak upon yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV. Yeah, man, say give thanks to life, right, and strength, you know, the man of peace. Duh. Yeah, man, the 2nd of February is in the 2nd month of the year. The year fly fast, you know, so make use of it. Life is what you make it. You know, the man of peace, I would say, take the violence off the streets. You may say, big up everybody on the platform. You know what I mean? For the first year forward, please consider for like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, your support is highly appreciated. Thank you all for your continuous support. Now, my viewers and subscribers, this is a musical vlog. As I don't know still, but me have different thought process of, you know, Macka Diamond. Someone started a petition for Russian to sign to authorize her song. Still got it. You see me? Well, everybody have to do them things still, but Macka Diamond a big artist to me, so I don't really think she needed. Whoever did that should have done that. Or if Macka Diamond authorized that to happen, I say I give it okay. Or she know about that petition. Me don't know about. You know? You see me? And also you have a bad female artist we are shoot from a long time, named Sassy Platinum. Bad female artist we are shoot from a long time. Years, and still I try to knock on the door, you know, like myself, yeah. So she did about 3 songs she did on the Dutty money with him, you know. But we're gonna play 2 of the freestyle and make on the hear. Hopefully I won't get strike for the instrumental in the background, but we're gonna make on the hear her go on, cause I said you know, she bad and she talented. So we are showcase the talent. See? Yeah man, so you don't know before we kick off that. I'm gonna play to check out my single, What Is Wrong With Humanity. It's over on my artist page. That's what I say. Yeah, man. So don't go nowhere now. We are forward.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill but won't and not sell them so for vanity?
Blessed love, a pleasant day to you all my fans out there. Yes, I say all my Instagrammers, TikTokers, Facebookers, Twitters, YouTubers. Yes, I just want to inform you guys that my single, What Is Wrong With Humanity, the video is out now on my YouTube channel. See, you can go watch it and share it and like it and leave in feedback. Let me know what y'all think. The people who want to hear good music, righteousness, and believe in positivity. Yeah, man. The single is not out yet, but will be soon on all digital platforms. But for now, if you want to hear the full song, check it out on my YouTube channel. See? I'm Eric. Love, remember, righteousness lead the way. Go shot.
I am a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.
Alright. Yes, man, the song over on my artist page. See, the I am Eric. You can go check it out. And I'm going to leave the link in the description, also pinned in the comment section, so you can make it easier for you. Click and watch it and leave in the comment section. See, the song I got released, I did 2 songs on the Riddim. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. Look forward. So I say, yeah, man. So no, with no further delay, Macka Diamond do a song on the Dutty money with him. Still got it. Me like the song. Song mix good master, good everything. You see me? So I'm gonna go now look a quick snippet piece of it. Yeah, man. Then I read out the petition that was raised. You see me?
If me shoulda share some message from me DM, it woulda cause problem on me. The man them say I feed them.
One pressure the diamond.
Make them know say me still got it, tight tool and big body, hand me like stiff cocky, big cocky in a saddle like big jockey.
Yes, man. So that is the song "Still Got It" by Macka Diamond. Zine, and the petition says, empower female artists. Ask Russian to authorize Macka Diamond to voice and Dutty money with him. Ask Russian, no sir. Macka Diamond, you have big artists, you don't need to do no petition, and that's just my personal view. See? So the petition state, this petition is deeply personal. It revolves around an incredible woman, Miss Macka Diamond, an artist with immense talent and passion for music. She has been tirelessly working to make her mark in the music industry, but one hurdle stands in her way. She needs authorization from a producer by the name of Russian to voice and promote her hit single, Still Got It, and his rhythm called Dirty Money Rhythm. This again, me not like that statement. She has been working immensely to get the breakthrough, make her mark in the music industry. Macka Diamond will come with Bonim and all of the big song them. No, Macka Diamond. The person who did a petition, and me have to wonder if Macka Diamond know of it and give authorization for this person to start the petition. Macka Diamond a big artist. She no need no petition for a voice from Russian rhythm. What she for do? We know say the rhythm, the Dirty Money rhythm a big rhythm, yes. It rhythm, part 2 rhythm. But come on, Macka Diamond, me don't really think you need a petition. You're a big artist. Them personal Lilli done your thing. You see me and say, but let's proceed in the petition. The music industry has long been dominated by male voices, with women often being sidelined or overlooked. According to the USC Annenberg Inclusion Initiative study, along 21.7% of artists are women across popular music 2012 to 2018. This lack of representation is not reflective of the talent that exists amongst female artists. Yes, man. So I agree. A lot of women are overlooked, and if you're not a sleepy producer or promoter or other artists, we get a breakthrough. It's hard for the female them, but me still not think Macka Diamond a big artist we're known worldwide. You see me? She just need to find her next hit. Link up I am American. But anyway, yeah man, me not think Macka Diamond really need this petition. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Saying? Alright, moving on. We believe that this talented woman deserves the opportunity to share her voice and contribute to diversifying our musical landscape. By signing this petition, you are supporting not just one woman but all female artists who strive for equal representation in the music industry. Let us come together and show our support for female empowerment in all industries, starting with this one small step in music production. Please sign this petition today. Where the viewers and subscribers? No, sir. The petition is a Lilli long Macka Diamond thing. One rhythm, Dirty Money rhythm. As you can see, the petition started on the 23rd of January. Seems like over a week ago. Macka Diamond a big artist, we mash up Sunfest and Sting quite recently, Yeah, man. You see that she just need to find a big song. But now I say, Still Got It on a big song, but come on, I don't think she really needed to do the petition or that desperate. She just have to go and put in the work or find some good songwriter. Again, Macka Diamond, link up Lionfoot, link up Imaric. Yeah man, Macka Diamond is a female who I met in person 2018 at Total Booking and Tours booking agencies. Big up Christine who were trying to get me on to go tour with Macka Diamond to open for her in Canada. It was approved by the promoter, but he never want to stick to certain part of the deal relating to me. Through me as the young artist, Yeah, but me say, it's not worth it, so better me just go and build. Because I know I'm not frightened for it. And so I say, but Macka Diamond is a woman who I respect and I believe in woman empowerment. You see me? You know what I mean? But me personally, I think Macka Diamond needed to do the petition. The person who did this, I don't know if Macka Diamond know of it, but viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think. You see me? I say, I would love to hear your feedback about this, but if you want your Macka Diamond song, Still Got It, go over her page and go listen to the song. Nice song, mix and master good, and it fit the rhythm, Dirty Money rhythm, but I don't know if Russian authorize it, but on her page it says promotional use only. That's what I say, but let me know what y'all think. Enough said, check out the artist and her name, Sassy, Platinum, bad female artist, for one part off of the world time there. That's what I say. Yeah man, so big up on yourself, Lionfoot, don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Yeah man, she bad man.
I say welcome, I say Maxine, how that feel. And a pum pum rhythm it name. Somebody have to bad up the rhythm. But watch out now, no? Murder me road like Maxine, hardcore like COVID vaccine.
Sorry, I had to interject there. Yes, she jumped on the rhythm, fully experienced, fully balanced.
Why this me that get vaccine? I'm a roll with the whole of the Maxime. Can't make the youth with the rifle or Glock seam. Cause we circle the whole of the black seam. Real killer so no man nah axiom. When my friend roll up in the black stream, no say a bullet pan bullet with taxi.
Alright, that's one of the songs that we should do on the rhythm. I'm going to hear a next one now. That one after the woman empowerment them. Big up the woman them way. Love them man and know say yo, true thick and true thin. You see me? Yeah man, here we Sassy Platinum I say.
I say Russian, you have some man and some relationship with long like River Nile. I'm going to think mama ever give him some child. Mama never give him a bracelet, him never get nothing yet, him never get money for your body, money for your body.
Yeah man, all of the people when we're in a them long lasting relationship, who not like that one, they want to listen to words them, when they can relate. You see me I say? Yeah man.
I me say me don't afraid to spend my money for my man. Can come along so we give him a couple grand. No, me not afraid to give him the key to my van. Cause if a real man, me told him in a house man. Me say me don't afraid to spend my money for my man. Can come along so we give him a couple grand. No, me not afraid to give him the key to my van. Cause if a real man, me told him in a house man.
Yeah man, nothing wrong for spend for your man. And nothing wrong for spend for your woman. From you love him and you love her. And a relationship happy, yeah man. When one up and one down, the one down, the one up have to look after them, you know. That's so relationship work.
Give him anything because the fucker sweet me. Plus he's not the kind of man to beat me. A peer kiss and hug anytime him greet me. Him love how me treat him by the way him treat me. Cause me money enough so me a take him on a cruise. Me and him a chill and bone a sleep and watch a blues. Know some of them have them different point of views. But me no care cause me no look a man for use.
Yo, now listen to the words of my Sassy Platinum. I say, she a treat him good and him a treat her good. She a take him on a cruise. Him and her a kick back and watch blues. Watch out, if you don't want to hear the rest of the song, just go over our Instagram page. See it there? Yeah, man, I'll make sure you know say Lion Foot saying. Alright. Yes, man, now we've come to the end of the vlog. I want to say thank you all for watching to the end. If you have done so, please don't forget to like and share the content. So, I say, subscribe and click the bell. Macka Diamond, big up yourself. Whole heap of love and respect, you know. Me personally, not think you needed that petition. Yeah, big artist. Load that for artists who are trying for boss. Like myself, yeah. Yes, man, and you don't know, we can't stop. Beg the youth to stop the crime, especially in Jamaica. As I say, take the violence off the streets. Please, me, I beg you know, the man of peace. Yeah, man, Lion Foot. Blessed love. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth.